Sergio Pérez's current situation in Formula One has been the subject of intense scrutiny, especially regarding his performance at Red Bull Racing. In the 2023 season, Pérez started strong, winning 2 of the first 4 races, Saudi Arabia and Azerbaijan. However, his subsequent performance showed a significant decline, particularly in comparison to his teammate Max Verstappen. Analyzing the numbers, Pérez accumulated 285 points in the 2023 season, finishing second in the Drivers' Championship. However, the discrepancy between him and Verstappen, who amassed 575 points, was notable. In terms of qualifying, Pérez had an average grid position of 4.91 in 2023 compared to Verstappen's 1.91, illustrating the performance disparity between the 2 Red Bull drivers. The 2024 Singapore Grand Prix emerges as a crucial moment for Pérez. The Marina Bay circuit, known for its 23 turns and challenging night race conditions, will demand the utmost of his skills. With a length of 5.063 km and lap times close to 141,000, this street circuit tests the precision and endurance of drivers. Red Bull has a history of bold decisions in its driver lineup. For example, Max Verstappen's promotion to the main team in 2016 at just 18 years old, and the mid-season swap of Pierre Gasly for Alexander Albon in 2019 demonstrate the team's willingness to make rapid changes to optimize performance. In terms of car performance, the 2023 RB19 proved exceptionally dominant, with superior aerodynamic efficiency. The car featured a unique side pod design and an innovative front suspension system, contributing to its competitive advantage. However, the updates for the 2024 RB20 do not seem to have provided the same performance leap, potentially affecting driver confidence. The pressure on Pérez is intensified by the presence of emerging talents in Red Bull's development program. Liam Lawson, for instance, impressed in his brief stint with AlphaTauri in 2023, scoring points in his second race. His competitive times and quick adaptation ability position him as a potential replacement for Pérez. The financial and sponsorship aspect cannot be underestimated. The support from Carlos Slim, through companies like Telcel and Claro, brings significant value to Red Bull. It is estimated that Pérez-related sponsorship is worth tens of millions of dollars annually. Additionally, the Mexican Grand Prix, where Pérez is a central figure, attracts an average of 350,000 spectators over the race weekend, representing a crucial market for F1 and its sponsors. Daniel Ricciardo, with 8 F1 wins and previous experience at Red Bull, emerges as a potential replacement for Pérez. His return to AlphaTauri in 2023 was seen as a possible springboard for a seat in the main team. Ricciardo has a driving style known for bold overtakes and late braking ability, characteristics that could complement Red Bull's strategy well. Driver confidence in the car is crucial for performance. The 2024 RB20, although based on the successful RB19, features modifications in floor design and front aerodynamics. These changes, aimed at improving airflow and increasing downforce, may require an adaptation period for drivers, affecting their initial confidence in the car. Yuki Tsunoda, driving for RB, formerly AlphaTauri, has shown consistent improvement. In 2023, he outperformed his teammate in qualifying with a margin of 13-7 and scored points in 8 races. His average reaction time at starts is about 0.25 seconds, placing him among the best on the grid in this aspect. For Red Bull Racing, the balance between experience and young potential is crucial. The team won the Constructors' Championship in 2023 with an impressive margin of 860 points, more than double that of second-placed Mercedes, 409 points. Maintaining this competitive advantage requires not only a dominant car, but also a consistently strong driver pairing. In conclusion, Sergio Pérez's future at Red Bull will depend on his ability to improve his performance in upcoming races. With an average of 17.8 points per race in 2023 compared to Verstappen's 35.9, Pérez needs to significantly reduce this gap to secure his place in the team. The upcoming races, especially on technically challenging circuits like Singapore, will be crucial in determining whether he can recover and effectively contribute to Red Bull Racing's championship ambitions in 2024 and beyond. This complex scenario continues to unfold, and we invite fans to follow closely, share their opinions, and stay updated on the latest developments in this fascinating Formula One season.